Hi guys, this is Kristin from Printable, Cuttable, Creatables. I thought I'd make a quick video just to show how to prepare the Crayon Holder Valentines once you bring them into Design Space. So basically when you open up the Crayon Holder Valentine SVG file in Design Space, you're going to have all 4 designs grouped together. So you just select them, right click, and choose Ungroup. This lets you work with each card individually. Just for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to delete the extra cards out of the way right now so it's easier for you to see what's going on. So now that you pick which card you want to work with, you select it, right click, and ungroup it again. Now what this is going to do is it's going to let you work with the coloring image, the score lines, and the card shape individually. Okay, so select the coloring image, then hold Shift and click on the card shape to select them both. Then you go to the bottom of the layers panel and choose Flatten. So now the score lines are hiding in the back, so I'm going to right click and choose Move Backward. So now I can see my score lines again. So now I can select the whole design, and this time I can choose Attach. Okay, so then your layers panel should look like this. You should have the score line set to cut and then the card shape set to print and cut. So when you hit Make It, your screen should look like this. Now the PDF instructions also tell you how, if you want to print two on a page, it shows you how to lay out the design so you can fit 2 on a page and make the most of your paper that way. Okay, so I hope that helps, and you can feel free to email me if you have any questions. Bye.